Well, Katie and Sharice, it's possible you already knew what the new guidelines would be. It's what your mom said. Eat your fruits and vegetables, add more protein while cutting back on soft drinks, candy, chips, you know, all the box packaged things with the added sugar, chemicals, and artificial sweeteners. The food pyramid has been flipped. Some thought the old pyramid was confusing. Right side up, it was supposed to teach us to eat more of the foods at the bottom and fewer at the top. Also gone is the My Plate graphic. That was supposed to show you portion size. This Tulane heart surgeon says diets can kill, but they can also heal.
If you look at the 15 ways that people die, at least 12 of those diseases are diet related. And if we improve the diet, we can prevent a lot of those diseases and we can cure those diseases.
Dr. Ronald Quinton is also a culinary medicine specialist. In fact, 15 years ago, Tulane was first in the country to teach medical students cooking for health. He praises that the new federal guidelines warn about the dangers of processed foods, but he disagrees with adding the saturated fats like in whole milk, butter, and other dairy.
If we emphasize to people to start using butter or beef tallow in place of vegetable oils, especially canola oil, olive oil, avocado oil, we're going to see our atherosclerotic diseases go up, our heart disease, our stroke.
While he says they're not radical changes in the new federal food recommendations, there is one diet that is best to follow.
The Mediterranean diet is the best studied diet on the planet, and it's shown benefits in so many different ways for our health that I would emphasize more what the Mediterranean diet represents. Mediterranean diet says get your protein from beans and soy and less of it from meat.
But at the end of the day, will this change your grocery shopping list?
90% of the population have never looked at the food pyramid and do not follow it. So I don't find the food pyramid very important for the general population.
Do you look at the food pyramid when you grocery shop?
I don't. I really don't.
I like to be healthy with the vegetables, so I eat healthy because I'm older now and my health means a lot to me.
I try to stay as healthy as possible while grocery shopping, so it's a good guide to follow.
Well, I'm 70 years old, and whatever been keeping me like this here, I'm gonna keep doing it.
Good point. Yeah, really good point. All right, so how much protein is needed right now? Like, how much is now recommended?
Okay, so here's how you calculate it. Take your weight in pounds, turn it into kilograms, you know, the internet can do that for you, then multiply that by 1.4. And that answer is how many grams of protein you should get each day. Now that's important because this helps prevent muscle loss, and it starts at the young age of 30. And Katie and Sharice, I looked and looked and looked. I had several people in the newsroom help me look.
Yeah.
There's no king cake on the new pyramid. I'm so sorry.
Man, not surprised.
Well, not surprised at all.
No.
But I think that king cake it's kind of an exception, especially if you're in New Orleans right now.
In moderation.
There you go.
Right, Meg, thank you.
Yeah.